Things I wish I'd known when I first started knitting. How to sew together your finished knits. In this case, we're bringing together a side seam, so we're using Mattress Stitch. It is a lot easier to do this if your pieces are already blocked so that the edges aren't curling, and you can find these little ladders or these little rungs that sit in between your stitches. And this might seem counterintuitive, but you are sewing up your pieces from the outside, from the right side of the work. So you take your darning needle in underneath that rung. I've gone one full stitch in from the edge. I just find that I tend to get a little bit more consistent of a result that way. You do that on one side, and then you find the lowest down rung you can find on the other side. Here's the trick now, is that you go back in to where the yarn last came out on the other side, find that next rung and pop the needle up underneath it and back out on the right side again. Once again over to the left hand side, find where the yarn came out and pop your needle back in, catch one more rung and repeat. Working up your seam like this, and after a couple of inches you get to see the magic happen. You can pull up tight on the tension, not too tight, and suddenly everything disappears, but your work looks like your knitting continues across. That seam is pretty invisible. You can watch a longer and more in-depth version of this tutorial over on our YouTube channel. We will include a link in our profile.